With this thing from Maruti Suzuki, the Colors of Youth platform, I'm sure most people would be very happy to be participating in it.
How can I miss my college years when all I'm seeing over the last 2 months are colleges? I'm living in colleges day and night judging this competition.
अगर जानवर फिल्म बनाए तो वो गाना कैसे गाएंगे? गां और उसका प्रेमी।
अरे घूमेंगे फिरेंगे घास खाएंगे गोबर करेंगे और
It's very important for someone to follow your passion, because this is the time when all these guys are young. They have a passion. Some of them really take it very seriously. It should not be that 10 years down the line, when they cannot pursue this, or 15 years or 20 years down the line, then it should not be a regret that they didn't try. So it is very important to at least try for your passion to, become your career or maybe just a hobby. But then, it should not be left locked in the closet because you've done your 3rd year and then you need to go, you earn money, get married. That's not the thing, because one day or the other it comes back and you regret it, and it's gone too far then. I mean, I'm talking about 15, 20 years later. So whatever your passion is, give it a try. I think it's very important.
Look at history. People who have followed their passion have been successful, have been happy, have been doing well in life, and we all know of them. So if you have a passion, you must follow it, because now is a time when you have the opportunity to follow your passion. Be happy, follow it, just go for it.
ए, धमकाओ मत। ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ देख रहे हो? ये जब किसी पे पड़ता है ना तो वो उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है। और पता है ये हाथ 2.5 किलो का क्यों है? क्योंकि मैं रोज सुबह 2.5 किलो दूध पीता हूँ। 2.5 किलो दूध? अबे इतना दूध तो मैं चाय में डालकर पी जाता हूँ रोज सुबह।
To me, everything is about passion. I think whatever you do has to be with passion. Be it your performance, be it drinking your tea, be it writing, every single thing. And starting with doing everything with passion, following your passion, you've got just one life. So if you're passionate about something, go for it. What's the worst situation? You won't succeed, but anyway, you're not succeeding by not making an attempt. So follow your heart.
Never really had a chance on that fateful moonlit night. Sacrifice without a fight, a victim of a circumstance. Now that I've become aware,
passion is what drives your life. Passion is not something that you're interested in. It's not something that someone tells you to do. It's not something that happens over a period of time, I would say. It just hits you one day like a ton of bricks, and before you know it, you're hooked and you're in so deep that there's no way out for you. And that is passion.
If you make your passion your career, there is no job better than that in the world. And that's the reason we have seen people scaling great heights just by following their own passion.
When you have something, when you have a goal, and the way the process to reach that goal is actually passion. So it's the inner fire that makes you do things. And I think Colors of Youth has really taken that out from all the participants, and I wish all of them a very good luck.
मगर passion का meaning कुछ लोगों के लिए अलग ही था.
Passion is burning in fire and satisfying your desire.
Passion is basically a dream, likings, and hobby, I can say. Passion is traveling and enjoying.
Passion is getting naughty.
Passion, according to me, is going certifiably nuts completely.
statistic after statistic will tell you that India is getting younger. Marketing gurus will tell you it's not about putting up an ad. You need to engage with your people. And hence, this we thought was a good idea, to engage with the youth. Give them a platform to showcase their talent, be part of their aspirations.
See guys, it's a great effort that you guys are putting in, and it's a great way to start your careers, because the thing is, see, I bought my first car when I think I was 30 and you're getting it 10 years earlier, you know. So that's about it. Yeah. There should be enough inspiration for you to work harder, perform your best, because trust us, when we are judging, sitting across the stage, you know, we want to see you perform at the best. We feel the happiest. You know, if you guys don't perform well, it's really, really saddening for us to see, because we have worked hard, you have worked hard to get you to a place where you could be the best in India in terms of Colors of Youth, and this great car can be yours. That's it. So work hard.
Really, really grateful to all the judges and the team of Colors of Youth. मुझे ये मौका देने के लिए कि आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ और अपना टैलेंट दिखा सकूँ.
आके पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे, इतने बड़े लेवल तक पहुँचे, वही बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है.
इस प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से हमें अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का मौका मिल रहा है.
Colors of Youth is a very big platform for me. Frankly saying, doing an MBA, continuing your passion is one of the best things that you can do. And with Colors of Youth, I am able to do my passion with my MBA.
I think this is the best platform that a B school guy or a person from education field can get, because most of the times the colleges don't allow us actually to participate in general competitions, but this is an official competition for the B school students.
I like to thank Maruti Suzuki जिन्होंने इतना unique platform दिया है, because creativity और knowledge deadly combo यार.
मैं शुरू से ही टीवी पर देखा करती थी कि लोग अच्छी अच्छी सिंगिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जाते हैं और वहाँ जाकर जीतते हैं. मेरा भी सपना था कि मैं भी एक ऐसी अच्छी कॉम्पिटिशन में जाऊँ, मुझे भी एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिले जहाँ मैं परफॉर्म कर पाऊँ, और आज मेरा सपना कलर्स ऑफ यूथ में आकर पूरा हुआ.
ये जो बच्चे हमारे पास रिहर्सल के लिए आते हैं, उनके बहुत अच्छा टैलेंट है. कभी तो हम भी देखते हैं कि इतना, मतलब कि प्रोफेशन ना होते हुए इतना अच्छा गाते हैं. इनके टैलेंट की हम भी तारीफ करते हैं और इनसे हमें कुछ सीखने को भी मिलता है, और ये शो मेरे हिसाब से बहुत सुपर हिट जाना चाहिए.
When I see these people, these young faces with a lot of energy, with a lot of enthusiasm, and I of course go back 20 years back in time when I was in college, and I think, oh yes, these guys are, have similar thoughts. Maybe it's not so much changed, but of course